Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this blue smoky eye, which was really simple and easy to achieve. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one.
What's poppin' 10? I'm the pasta 10. All these ends, why you motherfuckers got to be? I'm just cops again. Eat a box or something. I ain't such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
So we're starting off on already primed lids, and I primed my lids with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. And I'm just going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills World Traveler palette, a really old palette, but I mean, it does the job. I'm using the color Azure. I think that's what it's pronounced. Hopefully I'm right. Then I'm just going in with a crease brush with the color Morocco, and I'm just blending out the edges of that blue so we can get that seamless transition. No, I can't talk today. So I'm just going in with that color and I'm just blending it out in the crease and pulling it upwards so everything just blends out nicely. And that's basically it for the eyes. I'm literally using two colors. Guys, the problem that I found though with doing this blue smoky eye is the blue wasn't sticking too well, even though I primed it with concealer. I'm thinking the next time I do a blue smoky eye, I'm going to put a black eyeshadow down, not an eyeshadow, a black eyeliner down using like an eyebrow pencil or eyebrow gel. I'm going to put black on my lid where I'm going to put the blue. That'll allow the color to stick better and it will give me like a more vibrant blue. But I realized that afterwards, but still, I still finessed the look and it still worked. So that's what I'm doing, the same steps that I did on the other eye. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting down the blue first, carrying it like on the lid area, and then I'm just blending out the crease and the edges of the blue with that brown shade called Morocco. And that's basically it. You're just blending and blending, literally two colors, and that's it. It's very easy. And guys, I applied my eyeliner and my lashes off camera. This is giving me a lot of trouble today, but anyways. And I'm priming my face with the Maybelline primer. As you saw before, I can't even recall the name of it, but that's the one I use. And then I'm going in with a Maybelline the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. Oh my god. I'm going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This is like my favorite drugstore foundation at the moment. This is my favorite, this is my go-to. It gives you like that flawless look and it lasts like all day, like literally. And I'm just going in with that, and in that foundation I am the shade 330. And yeah, I'm using a concealer brush from a no-name brand. I literally got a set of brushes in Marshalls. They always have some cool like makeup stuff, so you can check that out. And yeah, I'm just going in with the brush and I'm just putting on my foundation. I don't know, I was trying to be cute and like slow-mo, but don't like drag the foundation all over. I literally did that to like spread it out, but then I would go in and like literally like push the foundation into my skin. And after using the brush, I go in with my beauty blender and I just dab everything in so there's no streaks or any lines and it's seamless. And guys, I use a concealer brush around my eyebrows just so that my eyebrows wouldn't come off. And I haven't done my eyebrows in a whole month. I need to get my eyebrows done. But anyways, yes, don't forget your neck. And as I said, go in with your beauty blender to blend everything in. And for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And that's like my favorite concealer. And I'm using the shade Caramel, as well as I have a lighter shade. And I put it on top just to brighten under my eyes a bit. Then I try bring you down. And I just know from a very young. Yeah, with them funny tongue. Them I watch me on the telly now. And guys, I was jamming right here. Like, I love me some popcorn music, but I don't want to be striked for copyright, so I couldn't include the rest of it. But yes, we have our concealer on, and I let my concealer set for like a little minute. After the minute, then I think it gives me more coverage. That's what I think. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But then I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and dab the concealer in. I literally blend my concealer in with the tip of the beauty blender. And then I spin it around and I use the end, like the round part, to just like buff the edges out and blend it seamlessly into my skin, basically. Yeah. And I'm just going to blend the concealer out under my eyes and the middle of my forehead, on my nose, my cupid's bow, and below my lips right there. And guys, for setting powder, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm not baking. I literally just press it into my skin. That's what I do. I don't bake anymore. I don't even see the sense of baking. The only area that I might bake is around my mouth, where I have my smile lines. As you'll see in the video, like I'll leave a little bit of the translucent powder around there just to like set it, but it doesn't matter what I do, I still get smile lines. Like it's the natural part of my face. I still get smile lines around my mouth, but I try to set right there and leave it so it'll probably not crease up so much, or take me a longer time to crease up, but I mean, it's natural. Yeah, there I go, adding my little cooking powder to my smile lines. And guys, for contour, I'm using the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just putting it around the perimeters of my forehead and what do you call that? The perimeters of my forehead, as well as right in my contour area. I don't know what's going on with me right now, and I'm just going in with my Real Technique sculpting brush, and I'm just using that to blend that contour out. And afterwards, I'm going to go over my contour with a powder from the Black Radiance contour palette, and I have the contour palette in the shade, I think, light to medium. So I'm using the contour shade to set my contour. Setting the contour just really brings the look together. And guys, I don't bake under my cheekbones. I literally just take what's left on my beauty blender, and I just clean up under the contour line. And yeah, that's basically it. And I'm brushing away the translucent powder, and I'm using the Maybelline powder, the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 330, and I'm just using that to blend everything in. And then I go in with the Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter, well, the Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. And I don't know if it's just me, whenever I put my highlighter on, I just feel extra, like I just feel popping when I put my highlighter on. Like you can see from the video, like I'm really feeling myself. And then I'm going to highlight my nose, as well as my Cupid's bow, and a little bit above my eyebrows. Then for blush, I'm going in with my Milani Baked Blush, and I'm using the shade number 3. I don't remember the name, but it's definitely number 3, and I'm just applying the blush from the apples of my cheek up to the top of my ear. And then I'm just smoking out my bottom lashes on my waterline with the same blue that I used on the top, and I'm just using like a shader brush to do that. And I'm setting my face with my Mario Badescu spray. And for lips, I'm using a no-name lip liner, because I don't know where I got that from, but it's a brown lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Nika K New York lipstick, and this is a beauty store lipstick, and it's in the shade MS14. I don't know what that means, but that's the shade. And I'm literally going in with my NYX buttercream, that's what it's called, my NYX buttercream. Over top, I'm using a clear gloss, and that's really it for the face, and we look slate. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love you guys so much. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and pay me close. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like